Here we'll do a quick lineup of my armory, as quick as I can make it. Alright, up on the top we have a KSC Stoyer TMP gas blowback. Next to it we have a Tokyo Marui AUG with the UTG lit up reticle scope with a custom grip. Below that we have a ICS MP5 with ICS M203 grenade launcher, Surefire, and a AIM red dot. Below that we have a Tokyo Marui MP5K with a red dot wired to the rear. And down here we have a Classic Army G36C with silencer, extended barrel, Type 4 barrel. And in the back there we have a Chinese AK, Umerix USP, KJ Works M9, Umerix USP, UTG bolt action sniper, UTG tri-shot shotgun, G&G FNC AK5. Then next to that we have the A&K Masada AFG suppressor. Then we have a JG M4 with a Classic Army M203 grenade launcher. And back there we got a HFC M9 gas blowback, G&G Vector Arms MP5, Chinese MP5, a Army L85. Then we got the KSC Glock gas blowback, USP gas blowback, Elite Force 1911 gas blowback. Then we got a JG G3, and we got a Lancer M4 with RIS. Then we got a KSC AK-74U. Then below that we got the D-Boys AK-74U, identical guns. Then Ignite AK. And I think that's about it.